How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. In this video, let's do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A52 and the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Well, both of these are really good mid-range devices from Samsung and Xiaomi. Galaxy A52 comes with Snapdragon 720G processor and the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max comes with Snapdragon 732G. Basically, both are very similar processors and they are 4G smartphones. Galaxy A52 has One UI 3.1 based on Android 11 and the Note 10 Pro Max comes with MIUI 12 based on Android 11. With that being said, make sure to watch this video till the very end because it's going to be a very interesting comparison. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this video. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, before starting with the speed test, I just wanted to confirm that both of these devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and I have only installed testing applications in this phone. With that said, let's start off with booting up the devices. Well, I forgot to mention Galaxy A52 has 90Hz Super AMOLED display while we have the higher refresh rate 120Hz panel in the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So as you can see, Note 10 Pro Max is a clear winner here. Galaxy A52 is still taking time and it's finally done. Now the speed test is divided in 4 different rounds. First we will do the apps opening test and then RAM management. After that we will move on to video rendering test and finally we will compare the Geekbench score of these devices as well. So let's start off with some system applications. These were some basic applications. Now let's move on to the internet-based apps. Now let's open some heavy games. Overall, I think Redmi performed better when it comes to apps opening, but the difference is barely noticeable and Galaxy A52 did quite well opening some heavy games. Now even though Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has 120Hz refresh rate display, I feel scrolling is much better in the Galaxy A52 despite of 90Hz panel. It's because of MIUI. Xiaomi has to do something about this software. As you can see, RAM management was fairly decent in both devices. Redmi failed to keep some heavy games while the Galaxy A52 did a decent job overall. Now let's open the KineMaster application and quickly render a similar sized video in both these devices. There is not much difference here. Definitely Redmi was a bit faster, but the difference is hardly noticeable. Now after completing all the tests, let's open Geekbench 5 and see if there is any difference in the scores. So here are the results. Note 10 Pro Max is a tiny bit ahead both in terms of single core and multi-core. Obviously not a huge gap at all, but you're still getting more by paying less in terms of performance. So that's pretty much it. Overall, I think Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is definitely better value for money, but with Galaxy A52, you get some extra benefits like Samsung One UI, more useful features, and Samsung also provides you with 3 years of software support, which is a great thing for a mid-range device. So that's all we have. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.